Today we're starting a new playlist, an English playlist about a species that is very well known in Africa. It's probably the most prominent edible insect in Africa. It's called Gonimbrasia bellina or Imbrasia bellina, or in African it's the Mopane worm. Eaten in all south part of Africa, in a lot of countries, also along the East African shore up to till Tanzania. There's a lot of different species in this group of Gonimbrasia mosses. They are not silk producers. They dig in the soil for making a pupa, so they're a little bit different from other silk mosses in that they don't make a cocoon. So let's see whether we can find them here. That one is just laying on here on this. I have to take it out like this. So put it on a leaf. It fell down from one of the leaves, but here you can see them, very nice. Gonimbrasia bellina. It's not bellina, no, sorry, it's a zambesina. It's actually from the shores of the Zambezi River in southern eastern part of Africa. And as you can see here on a list of edible insects from the FAO, look, we have to take this one back here. In this group of Imbrasia, here you see Imbrasia. There are different kinds of Imbrasias here, from here Untitled Chapter. They are all eaten in Africa, and probably the most prominent of them is Imbrasia bellina here from Westwood, Saturnidae. It's in Malawi, South Africa, Southern Africa, and so on. A lot of historical evidence about the eating of this caterpillars. They're eaten as caterpillars, picked mostly from women and children from the trees, and they're squeezed out and eaten either cooked or dried as a delicacy. It's a very important protein source for millions of people in southern Africa. So it's not only a delicacy like a snack or something, it's real food, and I'm happy that I can breed them here. I tried on Rus Tufino, because the man who sold me the caterpillar said they will eat it, but they didn't. So I had to change to oak, and now this time on oak they really like it, and we can find a lot of them here. Sometimes they are eating in groups. Here's another one. They change the colors during their 5 stages a lot, and of course they are also here very camouflaged very well when they sit on the twigs. Here are 3 of them eating together in a small group. That's what they mostly do until they are L3 or L4. Now this one is running away. What I will do, I will prepare for them some new food today. But first I want to show you also that this is not a new thing that we do here. We're in a long tradition of other breeders and rearers that already reared these insects long time ago. Here's a book from 1956, Amateur Entomologist Society from England. And also here you find pictures about Gonimbrasia. This is Thurea, but here that's one of the problems of entomology and taxonomy. The name is here Nudaurelia Thurea, but of course this is Gonimbrasia caterpillar. So this was one of the older names of this family, Nudaurelia. Today we say Gonimbrasia, or in the FAO paper it's written Imbrasia. So this is sometimes difficult to find out what's the real name of an insect, because there are so many different names around. And today we know that it's called Gonimbrasia. And this one is not the zambesina that we have here, but if we go along, we will see that Gonimbrasia zambesina is also mentioned here in this book. That's the last one, Untitled zambesina Walker. This one here. Let's see whether we can show it to you. Zambesina, that's the one here. And it's also an edible insect, like all of the Untitled or Imbrasia or Gonimbrasia group of insects. So look at them here. They're really nice eating here, but they're small now. They can be up to 8 centimeters long, and then they are really something also to eat. Let's change the oak material, and you will see in some days how the rearing process is going on. Thanks for watching.